Oh my gosh, yo.
Brings that in.
You get him?
Yeah, like a 5-pounder.
Grab the net.
In this video, I go fishing with a couple of my buddies, Adon and Alex. We go bass fishing to try to catch smallmouth or largemouth bass, perch, or whatever we can get. The more the merrier. We went on a boat, and it was a nice day out. We got a couple nice ones. Let's get to it.
So there's this young girl.
So there's this dam up here that we're gonna we can catch some lunkers out, but there's some good largemouth and smallmouth bass up here. We're gonna try this spot. Don just caught one. Nice largemouth.
Probably like a 2-pound fish. Feeling that? It's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It does have some weight to it. It's
Yeah,
heavier than it
dude.
looks.
Here, get me a plate.
Oh, fucker. Come on.
Oh, make sure you keep him in the net. The worm will fly out of his mouth.
Perfect spot.
Alright, bro, we fucking chill for a second.
You wanna slow the boat down?
I don't know, let's fucking pull up for trout fishing, dude.
Oh, I thought you caught one. This sounded
I did. I was like,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What the fuck is that netting, dude?
Dude, Alex, that was on Alex.
dude, that shit was right there, didn't? We've been like, yo.
What the fuck was that netting, dude?
Ask that fish.
Yo, that was a good netting job, bro.
It was you. You pushed the fish away.
So I was like, get. See, this is what I mean though. You get like 5 people back here, thing will fucking really. No tomorrow. Look at that front end.
Yo, start bringing us forward.
Oh my gosh, yo. Brings that in.
You get him?
Yeah, like a 5-pounder.
Grab the net.
This is an. Don't lose them. I won't fuck up my net either. Get him.
Yeah,
This is a big fish.
Grab my pole. Grab my pole.
Is he? Holy shit. Get away. That's a smallmouth?
Oh shit, my bad, Nick.
Oh shit.
Get him, get him.
Oh, it's a smallmouth. Damn. Look at the spots on that fucker. Oh, he's a hybrid. Isn't that a hybrid?
Smallmouth. Looks
Well, if it's got fucking dots on it, I think it is. It's got fucking, that's sick looking. Yeah, right there. Holy fuck.
He's a fighter, dude. He wants to get out. We all got one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to get more on camera.
That's a cool looking.
Got another one, boys. Largemouth.
Smile for the picture.
Oh shit, I wasn't even paying attention.
I literally looked down, I'm like, yo, there's a fish. Oh, to make sure your worm doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
Don just got another one.
It's a good one. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
All right, we're gonna try to hit another spot right now because we're not catching anything here. The fucking
Fuck the yellow there.
Don.
I got it.
Thank you, bro. Dude, it looks like another largemouth. He's fucking. He's fighting. They go under the boat. There we go. Get him. It's a smallmouth, I think.
Ooh, not again.
He's not that big.
I think it's a largemouth.
Oh yeah.
Tiny one.
Tiny sucker right here, but it's another one, ladies and gentlemen. There you go, Bob. There it goes. Thank you, Adon. Got another one. Ooh, dude, he's a fucking nice one too. He's trying to jump. No! Oh wait, no, he's still on. No! No, what the fuck? No! Bro, that's... So how did the day go?
It went good.
Caught some decent bass. Don caught some fucking pickerel. Alex caught
What'd you
some
do if
bass.
I just did a whole ass 360 right now?
Alright, we're heading back. That was a wrap.
Yo, you ever just drift a boat? There's people looking. Only if you got that on video.
What do you got to say about it, Alex?
I don't know, just good day fishing.